niggas cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we might get a T.I. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in a div. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows I it all. She gets down just like.
Hello everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to be showing you a full silk press routine using my own Bare Canvas by Sherry hair care line. This routine is perfect for natural hair, for the ones who want sleek, shiny hair without losing volume. For all my natural hair girlies, you know it's silk press season. I just took out some braids out of my client's head, and as you can see, there's a bit of a buildup. This hair needs a serious deep cleanse, so we're diving right into my full silk press routine today. Alright, let's get right on into it. So I'm going to start with a good shampoo. I'm using my Intense Hydrating Shampoo because it is perfect for breaking down all of the buildup and leaving the hair feeling clean without stripping it. It always delivers deep hydration, keeping your hair hydrated and protected during the colder months when your hair tends to dry out. A deep cleanse is key before a silk press, especially after a protective style. So I'm working this right onto the scalp for a perfect base. Natural hair needs extra moisture for a silky finish, so I'm making sure each section is covered. The first shampoo is all about breaking down any buildup from products, oils, or debris. Once the buildup is gone, the shampoo can really penetrate the hair and the scalp. The second shampoo is where I focus on massaging the scalp and making sure it's thoroughly cleansed. As for the third shampoo is where I do the full deep cleanse. At this point, the scalp is already cleansed, but this step ensures every strand is squeaky clean and prepped for conditioning. Plus, it gives the hair that fresh, bouncy feeling we're going for. Next up, we're applying our deep hydrating mask to hydrate the scalp and nourish the strands. This deep hydrating mask will deeply penetrate every hair strand, ensuring that the hair is ready for any moisturizing and heat protecting products before our silk press. I like to section the hair to make sure the application is even, starting at the roots and working my way down to the ends. This mask not only hydrates, but also infuses the hair with minerals that strengthens and promotes shine.
Niggas cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we might get a T.I. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in a div. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows it all. She gets down just like it all. That brown the blood, she's not on the shot. That bitch bad, watch her blow. It's the way. She gets away.
Now that we're clean and conditioned, it's time to blow dry. I'm using my Peerless Blend leave-in conditioner for some heat protection and smoothness to help the blow drying process much easier. Okay guys, here's a little pro tip for you. Always section the hair. It makes the blow drying process much easier. You don't feel overwhelmed. And it also helps you to get that sleek, silky look for your silk press. Now that we have gotten the hair blow dried and super smooth, it is time to straighten. I'm using a titanium straightener, which I highly recommend for every cosmetologist and hair care lover. It really delivers the best results. Now stay tuned to see the final look.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. Is blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Okay guys, now that we have a fresh silk press, as you can see, the silk press makes it easy to see any split ends or any uneven pieces. So we're gonna go to the last step, which is a quick trim to keep the hair looking healthy. There is no such thing as a flawless silk press with split ends. Trims are highly recommended when getting a silk press, especially if you need one. If you have not been to the salon in months or years, you may want to consider getting a trim or a haircut if you're considering getting a silk press. And here we are, the final look. Her hair feels so light, shiny, and smooth. This is what a good silk press is all about. Look how happy she is with her results. We've come such a long way with her hair journey, and each treatment has really brought out her hair's strength and shine. Thank you all for watching. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to check out my hair care products, I've got the link in the description below. Let me know if there's any styles that you guys want to see next, and I'll see you in the next up and coming video. Bye.